How to fix a Facebook query error on iPhone or iPad. First, go back, open settings. Here, check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now, scroll down. Here, tap on General. Now, tap on iPhone storage. Here, search for Facebook app. Tap on it. Here, tap on Offload app and offload Facebook app. After this, go back. Open App Store. Here, search for Facebook. Now update Facebook app. After updating, go back and restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. If the issue remains, open Chrome browser or Safari browser. Here, search for Facebook server status and open first website. Here, check if Facebook server are down, then wait until they get fixed. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.